This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable tasting forks and spoons, specifically these mini bamboo utensils. They come in both natural bamboo or a black bamboo finish, and they're all about 3.5 inches long. And you have the option of both the cute 2-pronged fork or this sweet little spoon. These tiny tasting utensils have a luxe feel because of their organic shape and their nice thick construction, and also that nice feel of the natural bamboo. They're perfect for use with things like tapas, appetizers, mini desserts, to use as things like tasting spoons or in dips or sauces. And they're great for things like deli spreads or charcuterie spreads if you just need that little fork and grabbing option. Variety of things like olives, pickles, maybe dried fruit. These spoons are even great for use alongside spa items like salt scrubs as a nice little spatula to dip up things like a salt scrub or a face mask. The bamboo is naturally strong and is sustainable and renewable, making it a great resource to use. These are a great eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic tasting spoons and forks. They're perfect for a variety of food establishments like caterers, to use at events or parties, or just to use at your next party or gathering at home.